Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Contract Simplified, your space for decoding complex legal concepts with ease. I am Advocate Kritika and together we will turn tricky legal scenarios into interview winning answers in this series of legal interview question and answer. Now let's dive straight into today's question. Client wants to terminate a service agreement for convenience, but the contract doesn't contain a termination for convenience clause. What would you advise? The tip for answering this question is start by checking contractual provision, then framework, then commercial or practical solution. Always end with a risk managed recommendation. The model answer would be I would first review the contract to check if there is any other termination clause for cause, breach, or non performance. If governing law permits unilateral termination in the absence of an express clause, the notice period and consequences of early termination, example, exit charges or damages. Whether the contract contains a mutual termination clause or force majeure. Then I would explore negotiation with the counterparty to exit amicably and document it via an amendment or termination agreement. That's just one way to tackle this scenario. There could be even better answers out there. Share your opinion in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Let's grow and learn together. See you in the next episode.